Your front door is more than just an entrance, it's your home's first line of defense. In Eagle neighborhoods, where families value safety, comfort, and community, having a secure entry door is essential. While security systems and cameras play a role, many homeowners overlook one of the most important protective features: the door itself. Upgrading your entry door can significantly improve your home's security while also enhancing curb appeal and energy efficiency. Here's how modern entry doors help protect homes throughout Eagle. Stronger materials mean stronger protection. Older doors, especially hollow-core wood models, may not provide the level of protection today's homeowners expect. Over time, materials can weaken due to weather exposure, wear, or age. Modern entry doors are built using reinforced materials like fiberglass and steel. Steel doors offer exceptional strength and resistance to impact. Fiberglass doors are durable, resistant to cracking or warping, and can include reinforced cores for added security. These materials make it far more difficult for forced entry attempts to succeed. For Eagle homeowners, that added strength provides greater peace of mind. Reinforced door frames and hardware. Security isn't just about the door panel, it's also about the frame and hardware. A strong door installed in a weak frame won't offer full protection. Professional door replacement includes reinforcing the frame and using heavy-duty strike plates and hinges. Multi-point locking systems are another valuable upgrade. Instead of locking at just one point, these systems secure the door at multiple locations along the frame. This added reinforcement makes forced entry significantly more difficult and helps keep your home secure. Advanced locking technology. Modern entry doors can be paired with advanced locking features, including high-security deadbolts, smart locks with remote access, keyless entry systems, reinforced latch mechanisms. These options provide both convenience and enhanced protection. In Eagle neighborhoods, where homeowners often travel or maintain busy schedules, smart locking systems allow you to monitor and control access from anywhere. This combination of technology and strength creates a comprehensive security upgrade. Impact-resistant glass options. If your entry door includes glass panels, security may be a concern. However, modern doors can be fitted with impact-resistant or laminated glass. This type of glass is designed to resist shattering. Even if cracked, it remains intact within the frame, making it much harder for intruders to gain access. For homeowners who want natural light without compromising safety, impact-resistant glass provides an ideal balance. Improved lighting and visibility. Upgrading your entry door can also improve visibility around your home's entrance. Doors with side lights or well-designed glass panels allow you to see who is outside without opening the door. Paired with proper exterior lighting, this visibility enhances both safety and comfort. Feeling confident when answering your door is an important part of home security. Energy efficiency adds to protection while security is the primary focus. Modern entry doors also offer energy-efficient benefits. Insulated cores and tight weather seals help maintain indoor temperatures and reduce drafts. In Eagle's changing seasons, this not only improves comfort but also ensures your door remains tightly sealed, an important factor in both energy efficiency and security performance. Boosting property value and curb appeal. A secure entry door doesn't have to sacrifice style. Today's doors come in a wide range of designs, finishes, and colors to complement your home's architecture. A well-designed door enhances curb appeal while signaling that your home is well-maintained and secure. For homeowners in Eagle, this adds both aesthetic value and long-term investment potential. Peace of mind for Eagle families. Ultimately, upgrading your entry door is about protecting what matters most. Strong materials, advanced locks, reinforced frames, and impact-resistant glass all work together to create a safer home environment. For families in Eagle neighborhoods, a modern entry door provides more than just an updated look. It delivers confidence, comfort, and lasting security. If your current door is outdated or showing signs of wear, Investing in a secure replacement could be one of the most important upgrades you make to your home.